I remember when Father told me I was ready for Katamia, my big hunt. You were little, so Mother took you to gather medicine. But Father and I went up into the hills. The rain was bad. Everything was wet. We crawled through the mud, and my bowstring got ruined, and... You were sleeping.
I was waiting for it to circle back. Now you're gonna have to cross the river to get it. Don't get your bowstring wet. Tabe, this morning in the sky, I saw a sign. The Thunderbird. I've been practicing. It's time. I'm ready for my Katamia.
You really think you're ready? You want to hunt something that's hunting you.